super fragrant basil and chili spiced chicken. This is one stir fry you'll love making any night of the week. This is my Thai Basil Chilli Chicken. Yes, stir fries can be a really beautiful thing. Even a weeknight quick stir fry, this recipe is testament to that. Just wait till you try it. All right, let's make the stir fry sauce first. Really simple because of course it is the weeknight. I want some oyster sauce, some fish sauce, and some dark sweet soy sauce. I love adding this one into my stir fries because it adds a really beautiful color, and that dark caramel color just seems so much more special. A little dash of sugar. I do find the sugar does balance out the saltiness, but feel free to leave it out if you like. And then a little dash of corn flour. Just give that a mix. Okay, so I'm using dried chilies here. I'll often use dry or fresh depending on what I've got in my kitchen at home, but I always keep these dried in the pantry just for dishes like this. So easiest way is just to use some scissors to chop those. And then the vegetable I find I'm most often adding to my weeknight stir fries is baby bok choy, because I don't have to slice a whole bunch of vegetables. I literally just slice it in half. The minimal amount of work required for maximum vegetable value. All right, let's get stir frying. I want some oil in here. Now, of course, you don't have to do this in a wok. A really large, wide frying pan is great for stir frying as well. And you want some garlic in here and some onion. And add in those chilies. And already my day is looking immediately brighter. I love the smell of garlic and onion and chilies in a wok. It smells like home to me. All right, now chicken is going in, and the real secret to wok frying or stir frying in a large frying pan is to give your meat enough space and heat contact. So push everything to the side and get your meat into the center there, and then immediately push it out. I want as much chicken coming into contact with the hot pan as possible. So the whole point here is to try and sear this chicken and not stew the chicken. If it's all bunched up, it'll steam and you'll get a lot of liquid, which I think results in an insipid stir fry. So just let that hot pan do its thing for about a minute or so, and now you can do some stir frying. And again, spread everything out. And just let that sear for another half a minute or so. So I guess this is completely different to how you see Chinese chefs in restaurants cooking, quickly stir frying. The thing is that they've got really high heat and like commercial grade woks, whereas at home I find the heat is never hot enough to cook everything through quickly enough when you're moving it all around. So this is my special technique anyway. So once I can see that chicken is just about cooked, I'm going to add in my sauce. Toss that through. This is starting to smell very good. Now in goes my bok choy. And now the ingredient that's going to turn this stir fry into something amazingly fragrant and beautiful is Thai basil. So you can find Thai basil at any Asian grocery store or Thai supermarket, and you're looking for the basil with the purple stems, and it has such a beautiful aniseed kind of fragrance. Look, if you can't get a hold of Thai basil, regular Italian basil is going to do just fine to really kind of elevate your weeknight stir fry, so don't worry too much. The thing that you do want is a lot of basil. This is not a garnish, it's almost like another vegetable in here. Now toss that through, and oh wow, that basil smells so beautiful. Something about the smell of Thai basil that immediately makes me hungry. Okay, so I'm going to get this out onto a plate with some rice. So there you go, a stir fry that couldn't be any simpler, but is still really special because, everyone deserves special during the week. That's what I think anyway. Now let's have a look here. Some chili, some basil, some chicken. That basil flavour has gone right through the sauce, and it's such a lovely, salty but slightly sweet sauce. That basil and the chili That's the goods. So good. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.